mates. Welcome back to Boss Around a Bot. Today, we're diving into how to craft the perfect AI prompts for planning and cooking a meal. So, let's get into it. First up, specify the meal you want to cook. For example, I want to cook a vegetarian lasagna. Next, any dietary restrictions or preferences. Maybe you're going vegan or gluten-free. Then, the number of servings you need. The recipe should serve 4 people. Got a specific skill level? Whether you're a beginner or a master chef, let the bot know. And don't forget to mention any specific ingredients or equipment you have on hand. I have fresh tomatoes, basil, and a standard oven. Any specific requests? Please include step-by-step instructions and a shopping list. And there you have it. A complete prompt might look like this. And that's how you boss around an AI bot to plan and cook a meal. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.